Hey, hi, Prerna. Is my screen visible, Mukesh? Yes or no? Hello. Is my screen visible, Prerna? Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Very good. Let me just take a topic. Input, okay? One topic we will take, today only. And that is nothing but the input, okay? So input is nothing but a message which is taken from the, input from the user. So input is a built-in functions that allow a program to take input from the user. Okay, it pauses the program execution and then it will wait for the user to type something and then press enter. This input received is always returned as a as a string. So let's suppose input what is your name. So print it will pause and we have to enter a value and then only we can do that. Let me just show you. This is the input method. So in the input method, what will happen is that it will first of all tell the user to enter any value. Let's suppose, what is your name? It will stop here. And let's suppose, we write our name. Okay. Let's suppose I write here Amar. And then it will go to the next execution. And then we will get the output. This is formatted string. Hello, Amar. So this is what is guys, input method.
It's a dynamic input of value, right, sir?
No, it is a input, in Java, there is something called as, scanner method where you have where a user has to put the input value. Similarly, this
Yes.
input method is something in Python where user has to enter a value. So whenever you want a value to be entered as a user, you will use a input method. Okay. And
Yes,
where
sir.
you will, so it is that's why it is written input is a built-in function that allows a program to take the user input from the console. So we can just enter the input from the console. This will pause the program and wait user to type something and press enter, and then only we will give any value. Let's suppose this is two inputs if we want to pass as an input from the user. So what will happen is that if we click on execute this program, it tells what enter the first number. The execution is still in progress. Let's suppose I give a value 10, enter second number. Let's suppose I give a value 20, and then what will happen? It is telling the type of one and type of two is nothing but the string, because the values what we are entering is nothing but the string. We will always take input as a string. So that is what is the thing. So here this is what is the input which is taken by the user. If we want it in a the input as a integer, we can definitely convert it using what int method. Do you know, Mukesh, there's a int method. What does int method does?
Sir, int, I think it will be outside input. And let's,
No, but what is a, int method
it will
first of all?
convert the given and like 10 is there. So it is taking in the
Hmm?
string format with the, we need to typecast it into integer format.
So it is used for typecasting, yes or no? Whenever we want to,
Yes, sir.
change one data type to another, we
Yes,
will
sir.
use nothing but the, int method. Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
So input function will take the input from the user, right? So, but int method is, it will, convert it into what? Into a particular, integer. Yes or no? Whatever input we are giving, if we want to, overall, convert it into a particular integer. So we can take it, on the, on the top of everything. Let me just take
Yes,
it
sir.
here.
Yeah. Correct, sir.
Let us just take it here, okay? In the top of everything, if we want to, enter any value.
It will
Yes or
come
no,
as
Mukesh? Yeah.
integer. Yes, sir.
Now it will take the values as an input. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Let me just take is as, 10, 20. Int, yes or no?
Yes,
And
sir.
what will happen, Mukesh, if I put the int here?
It will give the error, sir.
Let us just, try to give, int here, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. We cannot, have the invalid literal for int with base 10. We cannot have, string which is, entered and then you're converting into int and then you're converting into input. No, always int overall output, we can, convert it into a method called as int. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is what is, guys, the particular, input method, which is a built-in function, and that allows a program to, take input from the user. Yes or no? Next is type conversion. So how can we, convert one data type to another? So there is something called as implicit conversion. So which gets converted by itself. Let's suppose you add a number and a float, then the output is float. Yes or no? It get,
Yeah.
automatically, converted. Let us just see it. This is an integer we are adding with a float. So it got, converted into float. So this is called as what? Implicit conversion. Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
Let me just remove all this code. Let us just keep only this code. Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
We want to see the type of, result. How can I check? Can you tell me, Mukesh?
Print a type of X
So
or
what will
result.
be the output?
Result instead of X, it is result.
Yeah, instead of, x80, if I want to check the, result type, so what will be the output, Mukesh?
Float.
Are you understanding? Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
So explicit type conversion, you can convert to any particular data type. Int will convert into integer, float will convert into float, string will convert into a string, and list will convert into list, tuple will convert into tuple, set will convert into set, dict will convert into dictionary, bool will convert into boolean. Let's suppose this is a, a value which is nothing but the, integer, and I want to convert into string. Yes or no? So how can we convert? We have just used this string method str, and then it is converted to string. Yes or no, Mukesh? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
If I want to convert it into, integer, how can I do, Mukesh?
Hmm. So, that,
Int.
again,
You will use a int method. Yeah, right.
yes,
Let's
sir.
suppose you this xstr. If I want to convert into a int, what I will to do? You have to use a int method. Yes or no?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
And then you can just, print, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Print the, type of this one. Yes or no, Mukesh? So this will be giving
Mhm.
what?
Again converted into a string.
Yes or no?
Integer, yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you want to, there are a lot of, conversion, let's suppose there is something called as, int, there is something called as float. I want to convert into float. Then what can I do, Mukesh, here? What I can write?
Float, here we can write it.
Yes or no?
Mhm.
So this is the, explicit conversion, int, float, string. So, but, can we take a number as a string? Let's suppose I write here. Then what will happen? Let's suppose I write here str. Then what will happen? It's converted into a string.
Yes, sir.
So now we have converted all these things. Now convert into a list tuple. Let us just try to convert into a list and a tuple. Tuple. We will study this list tuple in detail. List tuple, set, dictionary, and bool. Okay, bool means boolean. Okay, let us just take it as set dict. Because dictionary cannot have one value. Yes or no, Mukesh?
That's the pair, key and
It
value.
should be a key value pair. So if I write here dict, what will happen? It will generate an error. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We cannot because only thing is the dictionary. It should have always a key value pair. Yes or no, Mukesh? We cannot have for everything it is working. But for this one it will not work. Yes or no? AI
Yes.
Akshata.
Hi, sir.
So we are learning type conversion. Okay. So we are just trying to convert it into different this suppose let's suppose this is an integer. I wanted to convert. So I've used a string. And then similarly, we tried for list. Similarly, we tried for tuple. We tried for set. But for dictionary, this will not work. Why it will not work? Because dictionary will take the value as key value. Yes or no? So the key and the value should be there. So that's why we cannot, convert like that, for the dict, because because I have to clearly written when the input is a sequence of key value pair, then only you can convert to dictionary. Let me just, highlight this one. Boolean will convert to a Boolean value. Okay. So let's suppose right here, bool value. Let us just see what happens. Yes or no. This is a Boolean value. So only thing is dictionary should have a input as a key value, then only we can convert. Yes or no? So we can convert any, data type conversion is possible. Yes or no, Akshata? Any, data conversion you can do, you can integer to string, integer to float, integer to, set dictionary. Let's suppose
Yes,
I
sir.
want to, yeah, let's suppose I want to convert into float. So what I will write here?
Float.
Float. Yes or no, guys? Everyone tell me. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
This is FLOAT. Yes or no, guys? Float.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now what will happen? This is converted into float. See here. So any of the data type, conversion, any confusion, guys? All this data conversion I've told you, convert to integer, float, string, list, tuple, set. Dictionary, I told you only the input is in a key value pair, then only you can convert. Rest any, you can take a value x equals to 10 and any of the, data type you can convert, be it be, integer, be it be, float, be it be list, be it be uh, set, tuple. Yes or no, guys? Any conversion we can do. Any doubt here in, explicit conversion? This is called typecasting. Okay. In there's implicit means what? You just added an integer to a number, it got converted to float. So this is implicit by itself. It is getting converted. That is what is type conversion in Python is a process of converting one data type into another. So Python suppose two type implicit conversion. Python automatically converts one data type to another without the programmer's intervention. This usually happens when data type when mixing the data type in the operation. And then there's something called as explicit conversion. The programmer manually converts one data type to another using Python built-in function. So these are the built-in function which can, explicitly convert one data type to another. Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
So, you can convert it to string to integer, integer to string. Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
Float to integer and list to, set. Yes or no? So now let us, take this a value. Okay. So guys, we will learn, the set list again in, depth. But let me just take this example. This is a list of values. I will tell you guys again, list in, detail. As of now, these are in, square brackets and these are mutable data type. Okay. And mutable means we can, change it and there can be duplicate values here. But set is, it cannot have, guys, duplicate values. Okay. That is the main difference between list and, set. So if I'm converting this list into set, so what will be the output is that this 2 times 3 is coming, it will, go. And only one time it will come and is represented in curly braces. Yes or no, guys? Why?
Yes.
Because set cannot have duplicate value. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Any,
sir.
any, any, anything in not understanding how a list is converted into set? Any guys, anyone has any, doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. So this is what is, guys, conversion. List is also mutable. We can change the element. Set is also mutable. But the problem is what? Set cannot have duplicate values. Yes or no, guys? And it's written in curly braces. So this is what is conversion, guys, tuple. So again, we will see, guys, list and, tuple. Again, I will tell you. The tuples are, immutable. This is a particular list I'm converting into tuple. So this is what is the tuple. It's represented in, a small bracket. List is represented in, square bracket, tuple in, small bracket, and set and dictionary are in curly braces. Dictionary, but is in key value pair. Again, I will teach you all those things. So this I have, already, explained you converting, input to a number. Okay. Now mutable and immutable, these are, guys, mutable. Mutable means changeable. List, set, and dictionary are mutable. And string and tuple are immutable. This cannot be changed. These are, non-changeable. Which are non-changeable? ST. Okay, string and tuple are non-changeable. Okay, so they are strict. S for, ST means strict. String will not, change. This is just for remembering, guys. I remember like that. ST strict. They will not, change. They are immutable. String is immutable. Tuple is immutable. But list, set, and dictionary are completely mutable, completely changeable. We can, change the value, insert the value, update the values in this list, set, and dictionary. But for, string and tuple, it is not possible. List is, ordered collection of element enclosed in square bracket. So list is what, guys? Ordered collection of element enclosed in what? Square bracket. It's ordered. That means items in a list maintain their order. You can access them using indexed. Mutable list can be modified after creation, adding, removing, or changing the elements. Heterogeneous. A single list can have, different data types inside a list. You can have, a set. You can have a tuple. Okay, so different, data types can be there inside a list. List can have duplicate values, guys. To remember this, I use this word, MOSD. Okay, MOSD. M for mutable, O for ordered, H for heterogeneous, and D for duplicate. So this is what I remember for, list. So list consists of mutable elements. List elements are ordered. A single list can have, heterogeneous element. Means inside a list there can be a set of values, tuple of values. List can have duplicate values. MOHD. This is the way to remember, the properties of a list. So this is, enclosed in, guys, the list is enclosed in, a square bracket. Okay. So main thing is list is mutable, then it is ordered, heterogeneous, and it can have duplicate values. So this is, guys, empty list. There's no value. When there is no value, this is called as an empty list. Let's suppose this is a, type of a with a print. This is a, empty list. If I want to print the type of, A, what will be the code, Mukesh?
Yes, sir. A. It's
So
a
what?
list.
So what will be the output? This is a list, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if I want to convert it into set, Akshata, what will be the code?
Print type of type.
No, you have to convert this list into a set. My question is very simple.
List into set. Print of type.
Hmm.
Set of
Print. Print of
Set of A.
set of A.
Yes or no? So now this
Yes.
will be converted into a set. Yes or no? Or you think this is an empty set? This is an empty list. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Dinesh, if I wanted to convert it into a tuple, what I would have written here? TUPLE. Yes or no?
Yes.
Represented in a small bracket. Are you understanding how I'm using type conversion? Any doubt here? Now, guys, if you are clear till this much, then let us just, try to see. Okay. So this is a, list, and just, try to, see the values of this list. Yeah. So now this is a, a list. So what are the values, Mukesh? Can you tell me in this list?
10, 20 nickel,
No, so
10.2
10 and 20 are what? What is the type of 10 and
integer.
20?
It is integer and nickel is string.
Okay, this
10.2
is
is float. 10.2 is float, and again this is list of integers.
yes or no? So there's a sub list here. Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yeah, sir.
So now what will happen if I take the type of L? What will be the output?
Type of L. It's mixed. Heterogeneous.
Complex.
What do you think, guys? It will be list only, right? List can have
List.
heterogeneous element. I
Okay,
told you,
okay.
it will
List,
be
list,
list only, right?
list.
What I told you, there are 4 words for list. What are that? Can you tell me? MOHD. What is H here?
Heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous, that it can have a list inside it, it can have a string inside it, it can have a float inside it, it can have a number inside it. Yes or no? So
Yes,
the
sir.
type of L is what? List only, yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
There's some list methods, guys. Okay. Let's suppose, you want, this is a list and you want to, add an element. Okay. Let's suppose this is a list and you want to add an element. Let's suppose, I want to add 4. So where this 4 will be added? After 1, 2, 3, 4 will be added. Yes or no?
At the last.
At the last, yes or no? So what is append method in list?
It will add the element at the
It,
end of
it
the
will add an element in the list at the end. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? What is append in list? Yes or no? So it will, add an element in the list and that too in the end. Yes or no, guys? This is what is append method. Any doubt, guys? Are you clear with, what is the append method? If we want to add a single element to the end of the list, what we will use? We will use, append. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
So now, so it will, add a single element that too in the last, okay? So this is what is the, append. So adds a single element to the end of the list. So what is the insert, guys? Let's suppose I want to, insert an element at a particular, specific position. Because append will, add at the end only. But let's suppose I want to add in a specific position. Then I will I will not go with, append, I will go with index, okay? So what I'm writing is that in this list, insert the value, 2, okay? And, at the index position is 2 and the object is 3. So what is the index position 2? Can you tell me in the list? Mukesh, what is the index position 2?
4.
So let me just write, what is the index position of 0?
1, sir.
What is the index position of 2?
2.
2. So now what is happening
So
at the
2,
index?
4 is there.
Yeah. So at index position of 2, what is there? 4 is there.
4.
Now at index position 2, I want to add 3. Okay. So now what will happen, Mukesh? What will be the final output?
1,
Hmm.
2, 3, 4.
Yes or no? So 3 will be added at, this 2 position. Yes or no? And this 4 will be going after this. Yes or no? What if I write here, Mukesh, 0? Can you tell me what will be the output?
And then it will 3, 2, 4. 3, 2, 4.
No, wrong. What about Akshata? What do you think? Prerna, Mukesh, can you guys, Dinesh, can you try?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
0? After 0, what will come?
1,
Then
2,
2, then
3, 4.
3 is gone. 3 is nowhere. Okay.
It is
3 is no.
shit.
So what will be
Okay,
the
okay,
3,
okay.
1, 2, 4? Yes or no?
Okay, okay. 3, 1, 2.
At the 0 position, it has come, 3, and then rest whatever the elements are there. Yes or no? Are you guys getting the clarity that index, so, insert is used to
Yes, sir.
add the element at a particular, index. Append will, add the element, single element in the last. That is what is the difference. Insert, first we give the index position, then we will give the object, whatever we want to add. Yes or no? If I write here 1, then what will be the output?
1,
3,
3,
2, 4.
2, 4.
Yes or no? Are you getting some difference, guys? What is a insert and what is a append? So insert means what? Add a single element at a specific position. That means list, insert, index, and that the element. Yes or no, guys? Shifts the existing element to the right. At that position, that particular element will be, single element will be added, and then it will move the position to the right, whatever the rest elements are there. Yes or no, guys? Are you clear with the difference between insert and append or not? Tell me. What is the difference, Mukesh? Can you tell me the difference between append and insert?
Append will add the element at the last of the that
At the last
existing
of the
list,
list? Okay.
and insert will insert the element at the specific index wherever we want.
Yes or no? And the rest of the element will be shifted at the right. Yes or no? So extend means extend a list to a second list. Okay. That means we will add, one list over another. That means there will be, two lists merged. We can tell like that. Add all elements of an iterable example list to another list. Okay. Add multiple elements at the end. Use to add elements from another iterable like list to the current list. That means this is a list. We'll extend it, so it will add the complete, list only. So let us just see. So this is a list, guys, having value 1, 2, 3. This is a, now we are extending. So extend is a method. Always methods are represented in, how this small, brackets. Now we are extending it to 4, 5. So what will happen? What will total output? This list and this list will be, merged. And what will happen? It will get, extended. So what will be the extension? 1, 2, 3,
2,
and
3,
then 4,
4,
5.
5.
Yes or no? Because insert and append are adding single elements. Now I wanted to extend it to multiple elements at one shot. I wanted to add in a list. So what I'm using extend. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding the difference between append, insert, and extend? Yes or no, guys? Now let's up. Yeah, tell me.
Suppose I'm using the extend method and I'm putting only 4, not 5. Then
Put it.
it
Yeah,
will work.
it will have 4.
Okay.
But
So,
if you want 10 elements, then you cannot use insert and append, right? If I want
mhm.
5 elements, then I will have to mandatorily go for extend. Yes.
Okay, sir. Got it. Got it, sir.
So now we want to count the frequency of element in a list or count the occurrence of a specific value in a list. So what will happen? Let's suppose this is a list and I want a specific elements frequency. Let's suppose this list I want to see how many times 2 is repeated. So what I am writing, this list dot count 2. How many times 2 is repeated? Can you tell me, Mukesh?
2 times.
The output is 2. Let's suppose I want to see the what will be the output, Akansha, if I write here 3. Yeah, Akshata, can you tell me the output? Dinesh, can you guys tell me the output if I write here count of 3? That means in this list, yes. How many times 3 is coming? 1 time, yes or no, guys? Let's suppose I write here 3 like this. Okay, there's one more 3. So now what will be the output, Dinesh? What do you think? Count of 3.
4.
3, 4.
Yes or no? That means this is just counting the frequency of element in a list. Do you guys agree with me? It's coming 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that is what I'm getting the output. So now the interview question will come to count the frequency of an element in a particular list. Can you use this count method?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, guys? So counting the frequency of element. Yes or no, guys? So let's suppose this is a list, guys, and the interview question is delete the duplicates, or remove the duplicates from this list. So what can we do? This is a list, and the interview question to you is, what is the interview question? Remove the duplicates from this list. So what will we have? What will be the output, or what will be your code, guys?
Print.
No, what will be your approach? First, tell me.
So I will directly go set.
You will what do? You will convert this list into set. Yes or no? And set cannot have duplicate value. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no? This will be our approach. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? Mukesh, do you agree? Yes or no? Akshata, do you agree? So what I will write? B equals to set of what?
Yes, sir.
Set of what? My list.
My list. My
Now if
underscore.
yeah,
My
now
underscore is my list.
now if I print B, what will happen? All the duplicates will go.
Print B.
Yes or no? If I want to convert it this, again into list, what I can do? C equals to what? Tell me. List of B. Yes or no? Now you print this C. What will happen? Akshata, Mukesh, what will be the output? Will get in the list format. Yes or no? By removing the
Yes.
duplicates. So, any
Yes, sir.
doubt that here? Yeah. Remove duplicates from the list. Yes or no? Count the frequency of element in a list. Are you clear with this kind of questions? Yes or no, guys? Find the length of the list, guys. So what we will do? If I have to find the length of the list, there's a method called as what? LEN, length. This will give the length of the string. That is nothing but the 5. So, shorted. So let's suppose we want to short the data in the list. What we can do? We can use a method called as sort. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
So
sir.
let's suppose this is a list and we have in this list what we are using dot short. Let's we short this elements and we'll get the shorted value 1, 2, 3. Any doubt, guys? What is shorting? Take your own time, try to understand how we are sorting the elements in a list. What is the method used? The method used is sort, and we are putting the list name and dot sort. It has sorted the element. Let's suppose I write here in the same thing I write here equal to the same thing. Okay, we write reverse equals to true. See here. So now what will happen? What is the difference between here? Here reverse equals to false. By default is reverse equal to false. This is what ascending order. Yes or no, guys? See here. Any method you can put a mouse, you can see here. Sort the list in ascending order and return none. Now let us just put here the mouse. Okay. So now see what will happen. So what will happen? Sort the list and return null. Okay. Now what will happen is that now we are just putting that reverse equals to the by default it is what reverse equals to false, which will sort in ascending order. Now I'm writing what, guys? Reverse equals to true. So what will happen? Now this will reverse in which order? In a descending order. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? By default it is reverse equals to false. I can write here also. Let's suppose I write here reverse equals to false. That means what? This will sort it in descending order. If I write reverse equals to true, then what will happen? This is by default sorting in ascending order. If I write reverse equals to true, then it is sorting in descending order.
Descending.
So what is the difference between reverse equals to false and reverse equals to true? What is the difference, Mukesh, Akshata? Reverse equals to false.
False means ascending, reverse, true means descending order.
And this is not mandatory. Reverse equals to false is not mandatory. By default, it is reverse equals to false. That means by default, it is what? In which order sorting is happening?
False. Reverse
By
false.
default, no. By default, sorting is happening in which order?
Ascending orders.
Yes, by default, it is sorting in which order? Ascending order. Yes or no? And here, if we want purposely descending order, what I have to write? Sort reverse equals to true. Yes or no, Mukesh? Are you guys clear how to sort
Yes,
the
sir.
element in ascending order and descending order? Yes or no, guys? For descending order, we have to write inside sort reverse equals to true. For ascending order, don't write anything. That is already a reverse equals to false. So there's a sorted method also, guys. This is also a way to sort the element. Let's suppose this is a list and we want there's a lot of way to sort. This is one way. There's a sorted method by which we can sort the elements. Let us see here. This one is. So sort is also a way, and sorted is also a way in to sort the elements of a list. Yes or no, guys? Both the ways I'm telling. Sorted also, sort also. Yes or no, guys? So if I wanted it into ascending order, what would I do? What do you think, Mukesh and Akshata? And Dinesh, what do you think? Prerna, what do you think, guys? Tell me. If I want, this is sorting in ascending order. Now I want in descending order. So how can I do? Reverse equals to what?
Reverse.
T equals to what I can take? Sorted number. And then what I have to take? Reverse equals to what?
Reverse equals to true.
True. Yes or no?
False. Yes.
Now it will be in descending, order. Let's suppose, print of, C. Yes or no? See, guys, the code. Let me know if you have any doubt. Are you clear? Shall we move to the next topic?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good. So this is what reversing. Now let's suppose, find the index of an element. Okay. So what is happening is that in this, list, I wanted to find the element, index. So index at 2. So what is the element present at, index at 2? Can someone tell me?
1,
Yes or no?
1 index. Yes.
Yes or no? What is, guys,
Yes.
finding that, index, position, okay, at, at, 2, we have to, get it. Yes or no, guys? And that is nothing but, in this list, we have to find that, the position, okay, the value you want to, find, and starting and the ending value we have to give. Let's suppose I wanted to find, guys, this 2. So where is that this 2? What is the position of this 2? Yes or no, guys? What is the position? Can someone tell me what is the position? What is the position of this 0 or 1, Mukesh? 0.
0,
And this position of 2 is what? 1. Yes or no?
1.
So what is I am getting the output? This 2, the position is 1. So am I getting the output as 1?
Yes.
So what is index? What is index? It returns what? The position of the first occurrence of a specific value, or position of a, of a specific value of a list. Yes or no, guys? Position, so, position of this 2, and which is 1. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? It is
Yes,
representing
sir.
the position of, 2. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So let's suppose I write here 3, Mukesh. What will be the output?
2.
2.
Yes or no, guys? And let's
Yes.
suppose I write here, 2, 2, then what will be the output? Value you want to, search is 2, and your starting position is 2. So what will be the output?
0, 1, 2, 1.
1, I guess.
No, you are starting from 2. Where is the position 2? Tell me.
3 at the 3.
Now you are searching this, 2. So which 2 it will search? First occurrence or second occurrence?
Second
First
one.
occurrence.
No, you are starting from which position? From 2. From here you are starting, right?
0, 1, 2.
From here you are
Okay.
searching for, 2. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? So so what is the position of this 2? 3, right? See here.
Yes, sir.
See, you have to, be careful. If I write here 2 parameters, guys, okay, there can be a 3 parameters also, starting and ending also. But as of now, I have taken, start. Let's suppose I write here, 4. Okay, this is called as, guys, stop. There's a value to be searched is 2. You have to search 2. So now there are 2 2s. Okay. But this 2 should be searched from the starting position 2. That means you start from here and search this 2. Now this 2 will not be searched. It will search what? This 2. And the position of this 2 is nothing but 3. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? So let's suppose, I write, one more 2, I write one more 2, and I write one more 2. Okay. So Mukesh, what will be the output? What do you think?
3.
Yes or no? Yes. Now,
Yes.
but let's suppose I, let me just, do something, yeah. Now tell me. Yeah, tell me the output. Anyone can, guess?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let me write down the value so that, you don't get, confused. Yeah, guys, now you try.
6, sir, maybe.
What is the output? The error is, you're getting an error, because you're stopping at the
Starting
position, 2, and you are starting at 4. So this is the wrong value I have given. Yes or no? Yes. Now let me just, write it as, some, genuine values, and then you tell me how it is 4. Tell me how it is 4.
The value is searching.
Yeah. Dinesh, how it is 4? Can you tell me?
4.
The starting position is what, Mukesh? Akshata, what is the starting
4.
position? 4. So what is 4? This is the 2. Yes or no? And from here, you want to, search what? Yes or no? Starting position is what? Yes, yes or no? 2. Yes or no, guys? So now from the starting position only you are getting this 2. So the output is 4. Yes or no? Guys, tell me any doubt. See the code, see the output. Let me know if you have any doubt. Are you guys clear? The starting position is 4. This is your starting position. Let me just give some spaces. This is your starting position, okay? And from this, position, you started the search, and the first element only you got is as 2. So the output is 4 or not? Tell me, guys, any doubt? Yeah, Mukesh, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you, any doubt? Guys, tell me yes or no, are you clear? Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is what is index, guys. You want to find a particular, element position. Remove and, removes the first occurrence of a specific value, remove by value. Let's suppose, I want to remove a particular, element from a particular, list. I'll use, guys, remove. Remove the first occurrence of a specific value. Okay. So let's suppose, this is a list and I want to, remove this apple. So what will be the output, Mukesh? First occurrence it will, remove, not the all the elements. So this is the first occurrence which is removed. Now banana, apple, and cherry are left. Yes or no? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
So remove is removing what, guys? What is remove doing, Mukesh?
It will remove the first occurrence of that particular element which we want to remove.
In a particular list. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the first occurrence here? What is happening?
Apple is coming and it is removing it.
So this is the first occurrence, apple, banana, apple, cherry. This is the first occurrence, apple, which is getting removed. Yes or no, Mukesh? Yes or no? First occurrence means first time
Yes,
whichever
sir.
is, occurring. Yes or no? Any doubt, guys? Now, let's suppose, removes the first occurrence of a specific value from a list, raises an error if value is not found. Okay. Now, what is delete statement? Delete by index, not by value. Deletes an element by index, not by, value. Let's suppose, this is a remove, which will, first occurrence, it will, just, remove, but delete will do not like that. It will delete by, the particular, index. That means, delete, in this list, the index value is what? At 1. What is the index value at 1? Can someone tell me? In this list, what is the index value? What is the element whose index value is 1? Can someone tell me?
Banana, sir.
Banana. So what will be what will happen? What will be deleted here? Index position at 1 will be deleted. What is that?
Banana will get deleted in from the list.
So what will be the final output?
Apple and cherry, sir.
Any doubt, Akshata, Dinesh, Vedna? There's any doubt? So remove will remove the first occurrence. Delete will delete at a particular specific position. Yes or no?
Mhm.
Any doubt, guys? Tell me.
No, sir, no doubt.
Fine. Now, uh, pop, what is pop doing? So delete is deleting at a particular index, not by value. What is pop doing? Pop removes the element by index. Okay. Pop method in Python used to remove and return the element from a list. By default, it removes the last element, but you can specify the index, at a particular index you want to, delete. Let's suppose, by default, let's suppose first see by default what is deleting and then for a particular index. Let's suppose this is a pop. This is a particular list, and if I'm writing only pop, then what will happen, Mukesh? Which element it will, pop out? Last element. What is the last element?
4.
4 will be deleted. Yes or no? What will be the output? 1, 2, 3.
Hmm.
And if I write the position at particular index 1, then what will be deleted, Mukesh?
2 will get deleted.
So what will be the final output?
135, 134.
Any doubt, anyone? Pop method.
No, sir.
All of you are clear, guys. Akshata, Prerna, Dinesh, what is pop? What is remove? What is delete? What is append? What is insert? Are you guys getting the clarity with the methods of list? Yes or no, guys? Next is, reverse. Let's suppose I want to, reverse the element of a list. So what will happen is that one I told using slicing, one is what, guys, directly you use a reverse method, and this particular elements of a list are, uh, reversed. Can you guys try using slicing and give me the code? Okay, just write in the chat. Just try, give a try, guys, to reverse the elements of this particular list. Okay, just give a try using slicing. Just write the code, guys, in the chat. Can you just try and write down in this chat here? Dinesh, can you try? Mukesh, Akshata, Prerna, can you guys try to reverse without using this reverse method? If someone tells you to, reverse using slicing, I told you slicing, how to reverse. Do you guys remember? Yes or no, guys? What is the way? Do you remember this particular list we will take? And then what we'll do? And then you have to give the starting position, ending position, nothing, and just you have to take, guys, what? -1. Yes or no? This is the way. Yes, very good, very good. Excellent, guys, excellent. This is what is the way to reverse. So we have learned two ways. One is what? Using reverse method, and one is using, guys, slicing. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Tell me.
Yes.
Hmm? Is it reversed or it's coming in ascending order only? This is reversed. Let me just see this one. Yeah, guys, let us just see. Is it reversed? Yes, it's reversed. 3, 2, 1. Yes or no, guys? Slicing also we saw, using reverse method also we saw. So now, guys, changing the position, changing the element of the 0th index. Let's suppose we want to, change the value at a particular index. Then what we can do? Let's suppose this is a list, and here we want to, change the position at a particular index. Let's suppose at index, 0, 1. This position we want to, put 25. So I'm putting this as, 25, and this will, change the value of this 20 to 25. And this is what is the way to, change. How can we change the value at a particular index? What is the way? Mukesh, can you tell me? What are you understanding from this code? Yeah, Akshata, what are you understanding from this code? Can you please explain me?
At index 1, we are putting the value 25 instead of 20.
So you are updating the value, yes or no? And how you are updating? Tell me.
With the help of index, we are updating the value, new value of.
Yes or no, guys? With the help of index, you are now updating the value. Do you guys agree with me? How you are updating? You are taking a list, you are putting the index value. What is the index value at 1? Is 20. This value you want to update. So you're writing here the value, and this value is getting updated at the position 1. If I write 2 here, Mukesh, then what will happen? Can you tell me?
30. Instead of 30, it will be 25.
So what will the final output?
10, 20, 30, 25, 40. 10, 20, 25, 40.
Yes or no? Are you understanding, guys? How can we update a value in an index by using the index value? I'm putting some index value. What is that index value? The index value is nothing but, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can update the value. So first you have to take the list, then the index value, then we will equate to the value. This is how we change the value of a, of a list. Yes or no? This is for, single value you want to, update. Let's suppose you want to, update for a, range of values. Then you can use, guys, slicing. Yes or no? What does slicing means? Let's suppose this is a list, okay, Mukesh. Now you are doing slicing from 1 to 3 means what? What is the position at 1? Can you tell me? Let's suppose this is 0. This is guys 1. This is guys 2. This is guys 3. This is 4. So what is happening? 1 to 3 means what? From 1 to 3, what is we are replacing? 20 to 30. So what will be the final output? Can you tell me? Yeah, Akshata, Mukesh, can you guys try this one? What is slicing tells? 1 to 3 means what? We'll start from 2. Yes or no, Mukesh? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
And it will go till where?
Till
Till this 4. But will this 4 will be included or excluded?
excluded.
So what are the values which will change? 2 and 3.
Mhm.
What will be the value of 2 now? Change to what?
20,
And what will be the value of 3 change to?
30,
Yes or no? So what will be the final output? 1, 20, 30, 4 and 5. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes, sir.
What if I write here 5, Mukesh? Then what will happen?
5 means it will go to 5th. But sir,
What will happen 5? Tell me. It will start from where? Here?
Mhm.
And it will go what? Till 5 is not there. That means it will go till here. Yes or no, Mukesh?
Mhm.
From here to here. Yes or no? This is what is the slicing we are doing. Yes or no?
But sir, 5 is not coming. 4 and 5.
5 is not there, right?
Mhm.
So what will be the 2 elements which will be replaced? This 1 will be there, okay? And then what will happen? You are slicing it from one position, okay? From one position, you are slicing it what? To what? To the 5th position. Yes or no, Mukesh? So
Mhm.
now what will happen? This 1 will come by default, and then what will happen? This, you're slicing till 5th, but 5th is not there, okay? And then what is happening is that you are replacing with only 2 values. So first 2 values will be only considered, okay? It will not be considering the other values. It will be only considering the first 2 values if you write like this, okay? So that is the, slicing, way to, replace the value if you put a particular slicing value. If I put here 1 comma 3, this is very simple, right? From here you have to go here, and then this will not be included. Then we are replacing it with 20 and 30. But here what is happening is that from the index 1 we are not including the 5. So what if when I write here 1 to 5, what is happening? We are going from index position what? From the index position 1, and that too 5 is not included. So the elements included is what? 2, 3, 4 and 5. But we are replacing the list with 20 and 30, okay? So Python will remove the what, guys? 2, 3, 4 and 5 and insert what? 20 and 30 in its place, okay? So entire thing will be replaced with what? 20 and 30. Yes or no, guys? So that is what is the beauty of this slicing. So always remember, in slicing what will happen? Now what is happening is that we have the values. What are the values left? If I have sliced, what are the values left? 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Yes or no, guys? Now what will happen is that what will happen? We are replacing with what? Replacing with only 2 values. What are that values, Mukesh? 20 comma 30. Yes or no? Now what will happen? We are replacing only with, we have only this 2 values. So Python will replace everything, whatever the values are there, 2, 3, 4, 5. The entire these values will be replaced with 20 comma 30. So that is what is the beauty. So what will happen? Python will do what, Mukesh? Python removes what? The slice. What is that slice? The slice is 2, 3, 4, 5. So this particular slice 2, 3, 4, 5, it will just remove this particular slice, and it will insert what? It will insert what? 20 comma 30. Do you agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what is the slicing power. Yes or no, Mukesh? So now, guys, copy and copy and all. We'll let us just start from tomorrow. That's all for today, guys. There's some method left for list, and then, guys, we will move to tuple tomorrow. That's all for today, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.